Yeah, it's getting somewhere. Fender is there. As you see, it's lifted that much, about 20 something millimeters, was it 21 or so. Actually, I made these were originally that I made 2 days ago was aluminium. Now those are stainless steel, so much stronger, and now you can fit the stones there, and the fender extender is here, so it should cover quite well these radiators. And I was thinking, should I put something more something mesh on this one. This mesh looks also good, and there's a quite good gap, so it works like as a net, so it catches those stones, or throw those away. And yeah, those brake pads, I am going to change those, but as you see, difference is like, I don't know, is there even a 1 millimeter difference, but I'm gonna put a new one, so I'm gonna use this later, these old ones. So then I really don't need to worry anything on the trip. So one thing is done, and I noticed something that worries me is this, that the tire is there, and this tire is scooping all the time sand. It's coming down from there, and there's a straight hole where the sand goes to the chain. So I need to make some kind of L-shape cover chain card that continues this way. But yeah, that's it for now. More later. Bye.